Okay, so hello guys. Today I am gonna make a paper airplane. I have made two drawing videos, but today I'm gonna experiment in a paper airplane.
Oh yeah, and if you guys want to see some action, then watch like Grandpa Moped. I think that one is really good.
Yeah,
It's got like a grandpa emoji in the word moped. It stands out. We also have baby versus grandpa.
And baby versus
Man, yeah, stuff like that.
They're funny.
Yeah.
They were filmed in our
Oh, okay,
basement.
okay.
But today we're filming upstairs.
So what you do is you do the normal triangle thing, as you can see.
Yep.
And then
Fold this. Try making it as good as you can.
yeah, you thin it, you take it down the middle. This is a simpler model than my complex ones.
Wait, give me a minute, guys. I'm just gonna get my thing ready for a minute. This thing started. Yeah, in one of our other videos, our mom has some weird voice. It might happen in all the other videos, but yeah.
Yeah, we have people over, so like, yeah. That's why they're in some of the videos. And today we actually did our 10 video anniversary. So let's celebrate. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so
you give it wings.
Yeah, you like fold them down, the wings down a little.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, dokie, back to the video.
That's my brother being crazy.
I paused it. It's so fun when you pause it.
Oh.
And I think you fold it up a little. You fold it up a little so it looks like equal. So you fold down and then fold up, but make sure they're equal.
Now let's try testing it. Oh wait.
Oh geez, that's the down drag. Oh wow, I would say that's
called the tornado.
Yeah, this is the tornado. It will do spins.
And twirls and all those. And
Yeah.
sometimes it's like the boomerang version.
It won't even like fly. Wait. While we're at it, let's have a competition. The Super Hornet 2.0 or the Tornado. Vote in the comments which one you guys like better. Okay. Okay, you fly yours first.
Wait,
Yeah,
sorry, that wasn't my best throw.
Yeah.
Give me a sec.
Okay, his made it there. Do not move it. Now, mine. Okay, mine made it all the way into the kitchen. Mine made it all the way into the kitchen, all the way into the stove. So I won.
Yeah.
So let's celebrate, guys.
Just please vote which one you like better.
Please vote. And if you want to see the Super Hornet 2.0, we have it in our videos. So if you like this video, then smash the like button and subscribe like we always do. And I know we've said this many times, but thank you, Nugget Cannon, 1, for being my friend, Mr. Nugget, and 2, for having that crazy cat shooting lasers out of its eyes as your picture.
In the comments! Woo!
Yeah, just vote in the comments. Well, bye guys. We're gonna do some more videos.